Module 1, Introduction to Remote Job Mastery. Welcome to Remote Job Mastery. Welcome to the Remote Job Mastery course, which was brought to you by Telecommute Village. This free course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools to successfully find and secure remote jobs. If you discovered this course via YouTube, Facebook, or any other social media platform, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone searching for a remote job. Let's build a community of empowered remote workers together. Background remote work has been our passion for years. We've dedicated countless hours to sharing company information with aspiring remote workers. Over time, the landscape of remote work has evolved, driven by advancements in technology, including AI and the rise of social media and online communities. AI has transformed how remote workers locate opportunities, interact with employers, and collaborate in virtual environments. Social media and message boards now play a crucial role in connecting job seekers with employers and fellow professionals. This course is packed with valuable insights to help you navigate this dynamic landscape. Stay tuned to our channels for additional tips and updates. Job search automation tools. Streamline your remote job search with these tools. Lazy Apply automates applications to multiple jobs at once. Job Copilot, AI-powered suggestions for quickly filling out job applications. Fetcher, sources candidates and builds talent pipelines using AI. HireTool facilitates talent search and engagement with AI capabilities. Browser extensions and add-ons. Resume Worded, optimizes your resume for specific job descriptions. JobScan analyzes your resume against job descriptions to identify keywords. Grammarly ensures error-free applications and cover letters. LinkedIn Sales Navigator, paid, provides advanced LinkedIn search and sales tools. Project management and organization tools, Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, organize job search activities and track applications. Trello, visual project management for organizing your job search process. Asana, advanced project management features for tracking applications. Notion, a versatile tool for note-taking, organizing, and creating simple databases. Building a strong remote resume. When preparing a resume for a remote position, it's essential to highlight skills and experiences that showcase your ability to thrive in a virtual work environment. Emphasize remote work experience, if any. Mention past remote work explicitly. Quantify achievements that demonstrate productivity and independence. Showcase essential remote work skills. Communication. Highlight strong written and verbal communication skills. Self-motivation and discipline. Emphasize your ability to manage time effectively and meet deadlines independently. Technical proficiency. Demonstrate familiarity with remote work tools, e.g. Slack, Zoom, Trello. Adaptability and flexibility. Highlight your ability to navigate dynamic environments. Tailor your resume to each role. Align your resume with the job description. Use relevant keywords and highlight transferable skills. Consider a professional summary objective statement. Express your enthusiasm for remote work. Mention key remote work skills and their benefit to employers. Proofread meticulously. Ensure your resume is error-free. Have a fresh pair of eyes review your document. Recommended tools for resume optimization. Resume Worded tailors resumes to job descriptions. JobScan identifies relevant keywords. Grammarly provides AI-powered grammar and style checks. Resume.io, Kick Resume, Enhance. Harashan offer AI assistance and ATS optimization features. Understanding supply and demand in the remote job market. The rise of remote work. The explosion of demand for remote work has opened doors worldwide, providing flexibility, cost savings, and work-life balance. However, the competition for remote positions has intensified, creating a supply and demand imbalance. Challenges in a saturated market. Applications may get lost. High application volumes can bury your resume unless optimized for ATS. Increased competition. With hundreds of applicants for each position, standing out is critical. Lower pay offers. Employers may leverage high demand to lower salaries. Scams. The rise in remote work has attracted scammers offering fake job listings. Overcoming supply and demand challenges. Focus on niche job boards. Explore platforms like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, FlexJobs, and Working Nomads. Tailor every application. Customize resumes and cover letters for each job. Leverage networking. Connect with recruiters and professionals in your field. Build your online presence. Showcase expertise through LinkedIn or a personal website. Use advanced search techniques, example, remote overnight greenhouse.io, to find less publicized opportunities. Apply early and be persistent. Set job alerts to apply immediately when positions are posted. Upskill and certify. Gain certifications in digital marketing, project management, or other relevant areas. Popular ATS systems for job searches: Workday, Oracle Taleo, SAP SuccessFactors, iCIMS, Greenhouse, JobVite, Lever, Jazz HR. Conclusion: understanding the remote job market's dynamics and leveraging tools and strategies effectively can set you apart in a competitive landscape. While the journey may be challenging, persistence and strategic effort will lead to success. Remember, your dream remote job is within reach. Keep moving forward and take proactive steps to make it yours.